Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize SilkRoad Cloud Talent Management step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your SilkRoad Cloud account. Navigate to the Talent Management module from the main dashboard. Once in the Talent Management section, review the default settings currently in place. Access the Configure tab to view various configuration options. Select the Performance Management settings to see how they align with your organizational goals. Adjust the performance criteria to reflect your company's values and objectives. Next, move to the Competency Models section. Identify the key competencies essential for different roles within your organization. Update the existing competency models or create new ones as needed. Afterward, proceed to the Learning Management feature. Evaluate the current training programs available to employees. Add new courses or update existing ones to ensure alignment with industry standards. Then, access the Succession Planning tool. Define key positions in your organization that require succession planning. Identify potential candidates for these roles based on performance and development potential. Next, utilize the Talent Acquisition section. Optimize your job postings by incorporating relevant keywords to attract the right candidates. Update your application process to streamline candidate engagement. Move to the Engagement section and survey employees for feedback. Analyze survey results to identify areas for improvement in employee satisfaction. Finally, set up regular check-ins to review your talent management strategies. Monitor analytics and performance metrics to gauge effectiveness over time. Regularly update your configurations based on feedback and changing organizational needs. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize SilkRoad Cloud Talent Management for your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.